The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Yeah. So guys, I'm going to make my hair. To make my hair with me. So I'm going there. Although Esther is not more working there. So I just got their boss and she said I should start coming. I thank God the rain is not really falling that much. It's just like drizzling it right now. So see my attachments here. I'm gonna use 3 attachments to do my hair. So come make my hair with me. Yeah. Let's go. Begin. Okay, look. Oh, that is bad. It's raining, the floor is so wet. Okay, chat. See y'all later. I'm at Esther shop right now. I want to call her madam. Yeah, because Esther is no longer working here. So I'm going to call her madam. No, she told me I should come immediately, but she's not in the shop. Well, let me call her. It's going down. Don't wash it. My hair is getting so
Am I the one that's carries this people say sorry. He owes them because they laugh. Because how the even though them. I just raised my leg.
So guys, I've not finished making the hair. It's around 3 after 3 in the morning. Yeah, 3 a.m. Let me show you guys. So you know that I'm not happy. 3 or 5 a.m. Happy new month, 1st of August.
Don't worry.
So I've not finished making the hair, so she's going to come today, this morning, to complete the hair. Yeah, so this is how the hair looks right now. See the under. Yeah, so happy birthday to me in advance. It's like I recorded this video on the 1st of August. Happy new month. I don't know when I'll be uploading this because I really have a lot of content. But whenever it's coming out, happy birthday to me and my twin brother. Amaniva. Ibeji. Abo. So I love you all. Please remember to subscribe, turn on post notification. You always get the ding dong of the video.